Hi, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to count total number of selected emails in Outlook. So first of all you have to need select your so first of all let's select multiple emails here, and you can press Control and you can press and hold down the Control key on your keyboard and just select mails. And now as you can see, I've selected a bunch of different emails, and here's how to count total number of selected emails. Once you select it, just hit enter key on your keyboard, and then here you will get this pop-up window. Opening a lot of items could take some time. Are you sure want to open these 30 items? So in my Outlook, I've selected total 30 items or 30 emails. And once this window opened, don't click on yes, because if you click on this yes button, then all of your selected emails will be deleted. So all you have to need, just note count of total selected emails and just click on no, and that's it. Now let's select more emails, and now again hitting on enter, and now here you can see I've selected total 19 emails. So this is how we can actually do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.